Is a cure for cancer near? What experts are saying. Did you know that there are treatments that train the immune system to act like superheroes to fight cancer? Or that scientists are using nanotechnology to attack tumors without touching healthy cells? And what if I told you that personalized vaccines, custom-made for each patient, are already saving lives? But that's not all. In today's video, you'll discover how artificial intelligence is helping detect cancer before it even appears, and how genetic editing can literally rewrite the future of medicine. Curious to learn how science is revolutionizing the impossible? Stay tuned until the end, because every breakthrough we'll explore could completely change the way we understand and battle cancer. Get ready for a journey into the future of science, happening right now. Advances in immunotherapy, supercharging our immune system. Did you know your body has a secret army working day and night to protect you? It's your immune system. However, sometimes cancer manages to hide from it, like a villain in disguise. That's where immunotherapy comes in, an amazing technology that gives your body a boost to detect and defeat these malignant cells. Immunotherapy works like a superhero trainer, teaching your immune system to be smarter. Imagine T cells, the soldiers of this army, being equipped with new goggles to spot villains that were previously invisible. These cells can identify and attack tumors without harming healthy cells. One of the most significant innovations is a treatment called CAR-T. Here, doctors extract some of your immune cells, train them in a lab, and then return them to your body, now much stronger and smarter. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's reality, and there's more. Checkpoint inhibitors. These drugs are like keys that unlock barriers cancer uses to hide from the immune system. Once these barriers are removed, the body can freely fight the enemy. Why is this so revolutionary? Because immunotherapy not only treats cancer, but also prepares the immune system to keep fighting in the future, learning to prevent the villain from coming back. This is already saving lives in advanced cancer cases where other treatments have failed. Curious to learn more about how science is turning the impossible into reality? Stay tuned for the next topic to discover how personalized medicine is changing the game in cancer treatment. Personalized medicine and targeted therapies. Tailor-made treatments for everyone. Have you ever imagined cancer treatment designed specifically for you, like a custom-tailored outfit? That's exactly what personalized medicine does. Instead of using one-size-fits-all treatments, science now creates therapies tailored to the unique characteristics of each patient. It seems like magic, but it's pure science. The secret to personalized medicine lies in DNA, the instruction manual of our bodies. Each of us has unique DNA, like a fingerprint. When cancer arises, it leaves clues in this manual, and scientists can study them to understand what caused the disease. It's like investigating a crime to find the culprit. This is where targeted therapy comes in. A true revolution. These treatments work like guided missiles. They identify cancer cells and destroy them while leaving healthy cells untouched. This means fewer side effects and higher chances of success. For example, in some types of breast cancer, scientists discovered certain proteins called HER2 that make cells grow uncontrollably. With this information, they developed drugs that switch off these proteins, stopping tumor growth. Amazing, right? There are also genetic tests that help doctors predict which medications will work best for each patient. It's like a GPS for treatment, guiding doctors directly to the most effective solution. And the future looks even brighter. With advancing technology, the expectation is that all patients will one day receive fully personalized treatments, increasing their chances of recovery. Want to know how science keeps pushing boundaries? In the next topic, we'll explore nanotechnology and how it's helping defeat cancer at a microscopic level. Nanotechnology in fighting cancer. Invisible warriors against tumor cells. Now imagine something so small that you'd need a super powerful microscope to see it. This is nanotechnology, a world of incredible solutions at a microscopic scale. Believe it or not, this technology is revolutionizing cancer treatment in ways that seem straight out of a futuristic movie. Nanotechnology uses particles so tiny they can enter the body and act directly on diseased cells, like invisible warriors. What makes this so special? These nano-warriors can attack cancer without harming healthy cells, something traditional treatments like chemotherapy struggle to do. Imagine, for example, a microscopic ship loaded with medication. It travels through the body until it finds the tumor, and once it reaches the target, it releases the medicine exactly where it's needed. This means less medication is wasted, and side effects like nausea and hair loss can be significantly reduced. Another fascinating example is the use of nanoparticles to heat up cancer. These particles can be directed to the tumor and, when activated by lasers or radio waves, increase in temperature. This heat can destroy cancer cells without damaging the surrounding tissues. It's like using a magnifying glass to concentrate sunlight on a specific spot. And there's more. Scientists are developing smart nanoparticles that can communicate with the body. They can detect chemical changes in the environment around the tumor and alert doctors, acting as an early warning system to monitor cancer in real time. But does this actually work? Yes. Some treatments using nanotechnology are already in use, and many more are in testing phases with promising results. The future of nanotechnology promises increasingly precise and effective treatments. Want to know what science's next step will be? In the next topic, we'll explore how vaccines and RNA are becoming powerful allies in the fight against cancer. Get ready for more incredible discoveries. RNA-based therapies and cancer vaccines, reprogramming the body to fight cancer. Have you heard about RNA vaccines that revolutionize the fight against COVID-19? Well, now imagine this same technology being used to train the body to fight cancer. It may sound out of this world, but it's already happening, and the results are incredible. RNA acts like a message carrying instructions for our bodies. Think of it as a recipe that teaches cells to produce a specific protein. In the case of cancer vaccines, scientists create messages that help the immune system recognize cancer cells as enemies. This way, the body learns to attack them as if it's training for a major battle. For instance, if a tumor has a unique signature, like a protein only it produces, scientists can use RNA to alert the immune system to this specific feature. It's like training a guard dog to identify the scent of an intruder. But that's not all. This technology is also being used to create personalized vaccines. Imagine you have a tumor with very specific characteristics. Scientists can study your cancer and create a unique vaccine just for you, greatly increasing the chances of success in treatment. Amazing, right? Another major advantage of RNA therapies is that they are quick to develop. This means that in the future, treatments could be available in weeks rather than years. Plus, these vaccines can be combined with other treatments like immunotherapy for even better results. You might be wondering, does this really work? The answer is yes. Clinical trials are already underway, and some RNA vaccines for cancer are showing promising results, especially for hard-to-treat types like melanoma and certain lung cancers. And the future? The expectation is that this technology could eventually be used to prevent cancer, not just treat it. Imagine being able to take a vaccine in your youth that drastically reduces your chances of developing the disease. It sounds like a dream, but science is on the path to making it a reality. Curious to know what else is revolutionizing the fight against cancer? In the next topic, we'll talk about how artificial intelligence is helping doctors diagnose cancer even before it appears. Early diagnosis with artificial intelligence detecting cancer before it appears. The earlier cancer is detected, the higher the chances of a cure. And this is where artificial intelligence, AI, comes in, a technology that is transforming how we diagnose this disease. AI works like a super-intelligent detective, analyzing exams such as mammograms and CT scans with extreme precision. It can identify subtle signs like microcalcifications in mammograms, which may indicate the early stages of breast cancer. This allows for rapid treatment, saving lives. Additionally, AI can cross-reference information from your medical history, genetics, and habits to predict if you have an increased risk of developing cancer in the future. It's like having a health oracle guiding preventive actions. Another breakthrough is its use in liquid biopsies, which analyze blood for fragments of cancer DNA. AI interprets this data quickly, detecting tumors before they even appear in conventional exams. But does AI replace doctors? No. It's an ally that helps professionals make faster and more accurate decisions, especially in areas with a shortage of specialists. With AI, the future of early diagnosis is promising. A world where cancer is detected so early it never becomes a threat is closer than ever. The role of genetic editing, CRISPR, rewriting the rules of cancer treatment. Imagine being able to correct a mistake in DNA, like fixing a typo in a manual. That's exactly what CRISPR technology does. Functioning as a molecular pair of scissors, CRISPR allows scientists to cut out defective pieces of DNA and replace them with correct instructions. In cancer, something often goes wrong in the DNA of cells, like a switch that stays on when it should be off. With CRISPR, it's possible to fix these errors, preventing the uncontrolled growth of tumor cells. For example, in certain lung cancers, CRISPR can reverse mutations that make cells resistant to medications, restoring the effectiveness of treatments. But the technology goes even further. It can enhance the immune system. Scientists are editing immune cells to attack tumors more efficiently, essentially giving the body superpowers. Additionally, CRISPR can identify individuals at higher risk for cancer, enabling preventive measures before the disease develops. And it's already working. Clinical trials are showing promising results, such as blood cancer patients treated with edited cells who experienced significant improvements. We are just at the beginning of a revolution, where fixing DNA may become as common as taking medication. Global investments and international collaboration, joining forces to beat cancer. Unity is strength, and this has never been truer in the fight against cancer. Thanks to global investments and collaboration between countries, scientists, and organizations, we are getting closer to finding treatments and hopefully a definitive cure. Every year, billions of dollars are allocated to cancer research, funded by governments, private institutions, non-profit organizations, and fundraising campaigns. This support is crucial as research is expensive and requires cutting-edge technologies. One example is the Cancer Genome Atlas project, which is mapping the genetic alterations in various types of cancer. This map helps scientists understand the causes of the disease and develop more effective therapies. Furthermore, researchers from different countries share discoveries, accelerating global progress. Technological advancements, such as supercomputers and particle accelerators, are also being used collaboratively. This ensures that more scientists have access to the tools needed to study cancer in depth. Non-profit organizations, like the Gates Foundation and the WHO, play a vital role in bringing innovative treatments to regions where options are still limited. These investments and collaborations mean more precise diagnostics, innovative treatments, and most importantly, more lives saved. We are living in an era of incredible discoveries, where each breakthrough brings us closer to a healthier future. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on other advancements that are transforming the future of medicine. Every discovery is a step closer to a world without cancer.